Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for December 24th. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving Plaster Casts of Everything by Bill Murphy. This is a double arrow Sudoku, and you may notice when we look at the puzzle there are no arrows in the grid, but we have normal Sudoku rules 1 to 9 in each row, column, and 3x3 box. Double arrow is kind of a play on regular arrow Sudoku. Regular arrow, we might have a circle and a line with an arrow on the end of it, where the sum of the digits on the line is whatever's in the circle. For double arrow, we have two circles. So there's no actual arrow. Instead, we have circles on both ends. And the sum of the digits on the line is the same as the sum of the digits in the circles. So these two cells sum to 16, so these also sum to 16. And so on. And we'll start there because that's very restricted. The most we can have in two cells, these don't see each other. We can have repeats. So we could have two 9s. That would be 18. So 16 is pretty high. The only two ways to make 16 are 7, 9, which is what we have in the circles. But we can't do that here because we have a 7 that sees both cells. So instead, we must have double 8. This one is similarly restricted. 4 can either be 1, 3, but we can't do that because of the 1 here, or it can be 2, 2. And this one is also 16, and this cell can't be 7 or 9, so this must be 8, 8 as well. Let's look at this one next. This one has more options, but it is resolved because of the 1, 2 here. So we can't have 1, 6 again. We can't have 2, 5 because both of these cells see 1 and 2. So it must be 3, 4, and there's a 3 here. So that's resolved. Now these can't be 1 or 2, so this must be a 1, 2 pair. This is 4, 5 pair. And now this sums to 10, so we need 10 here. 4 would need 6, but there's a 6 in the box, so this is 5, 5. We can't have 8 in those cells, so that's an 8. These are 6 and 9, that's resolved. Across here, we have all the low digits in 5, so we need 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 of those see this cell, so that's 8. And now we should be able to place 8 in the central box. We can do that here. These are 6, 7, and 9, and they are resolved. We have 6 and 7 here. We have 9 and 6 here. That's a 6. All right, over here, these can't be 6, so that's a 6. And this is a 5, 7 pair. All right, let's look at our next clue here. These sum to 8. We can't have 1, 7 because both of them see 7. We also can't have 3, 5 because both of them see 3. And also this cell sees both 3 and 5. So this could be 4, 4. Can it be 2, 6? Well, no, because now it sees 2 6s. So it is 4, 4. These are 1, 2, and 9, and the 2 there means the 2 is placed, and the 9 means that's a 1. These sum to 10, we have a 1, so that must be 9. Now across here we need 1 and 4. These are 2, 3, and 5, but we have 3, 5 here, and we have a 3 here. These are 1, 2, 5. This is 1 or 4, and this is 1, 2, or 4. This last double arrow, we have a sum of 9. 1 would need an 8. We have an 8 there. 2 would need a 7, but we have a 7 there. So this must be 4, 5. Makes that a 1. This can't be 5 or 1 now, so this is 2, this is 5. The 1 looks up and resolves all of that. And the 5 also looks up. Sorry, I'm losing my voice now. It is Christmas morning. We got up early because the kids were excited and did stockings, and I'm not awake yet. So apologies for my kind of gravelly through. But this column needs 2, 6, and 9. 6 can only go there. And there's a 2 in the box, so that's 9, 2. This column needs 3, 4, 6. There's 4 and 6 here. So 6 in this box. All right, this row needs 1, 6, and 7. 6 must go here because of these 6s. The 1, 7 is actually not resolved yet. But we've almost got the full cross in the middle. So let's look at the corners now. We need 3, 4, 5, 7 here. I don't think that's the place to look yet. Got this nice little chocolate teapot corner. Over here, though, we still need a 2 in the box, or in the row, rather. And it can't go there. So the only place for 2 is here. The only place for 3 now is here. And this is 1, 5, which is resolved. Because it's 4, 3, 7, and 5. These are 4 and 8. These are 8 and 9. So 1, 5, 7. The 5 must go here. And then the 7 is going to resolve our last few digits. That's the solution. So really neat puzzle the way it flowed around. Pretty much all of the double arrows were forced if you look at them in the right order. So looking at them from most restricted to least was helpful. There was a little bit we had to do in between. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time.